Hello everyone. Today we will start with a new topic of Business Studies class 11th, chapter 1 Business, Nature and Purpose. So today's topic is importance of business. The business growth plays an important role in the growth and development of economy of a nation. So let's summarize some importance as follows. First is increase in employment. In business, new industries are established, so large number of workers get benefited by this. For example, when new industries are established in our area, that many workers or employees or many workers and people get benefited by them. In our area, Mehndi industries, Kanku industries, Masala industries and Bedugar print are the main small or a cottage industries in our area. And second is increase in standard of living. When business gives opportunities in the form of employment to different sections, so by this they increase our income, and when they increase our income, they used this income for purchasing a modern goods. For example, a worker having a keypad mobile and his salary of rupees per month 5,000, and after some time when his salary increased by rupees 10,000, then he used our excess money for purchasing a new Android mobile. So business is also increase the standard of living. Third point is increase in government income. The government charge various kinds of taxes on business to increase our income like GST, excise duty, service tax, sales tax, STT. STT means security transaction tax, and this tax is levied on buying and selling of securities. So that are the different taxes for increasing the government income. Fourth point is rise in level of education. New technology does got developed because of the business, and it increased the level of education in the form of new inventions, division of labor, specialization, standardization are the different ways to educate the peoples and the industries or the business. Next one is achieving basic facilities. By establishment of business, citizens get facility of our livelihood, and we cannot think about establishing of industries without infrastructure. Where infrastructure is strong, then our industries growth is more strong or powerful. So such kinds of basic facilities are water, electricities and transport, airways, roadways are the different kinds of basic facilities which is helpful for the flourishing for our business activities. So that is our points of importance. Let's move to the next topic of objectives of business. First is economic objectives. Economic objectives, we relate the earning of money, and every business has an ultimate aim of earning profit, and profit is the life and soul of every business, and every business may face various uncertainties happen in the future like change the demand, taste and fashion of customers, and a businessman wants a diversification and expansion of our business. What is the meaning of expansion of our business? For example, Apna Sweets centrally situated in Indore, but when they opened our restaurant in Ujjain, Devas, Shajapur, Ratlam. That is the called expansion of our business. And what is diversification? Apna Sweets known as a restaurant, but along with restaurant they provide sweets, bakery items and namkeens. So it is called a diversification of product. So every business every business activities can flourish for profit is needed. Second is social objectives. Social objectives will relate the societies, and business had some also obligations to the societies. They provide a quality goods at a reasonable price to the societies, and also providing a employment for the societies, and they and reasonable, and they also provide us some kind of other facilities like after sale services of customers, and also supply goods throughout the year when customer is needed. So that is the social objectives of business. Next one is human objectives. Human objectives related to the workers and employees, and some responsibilities of the business for workers and employees are: they provide a fair wages and salary to the workers and employees, and along with also other facilities like medical facilities, education facilities to their children, like insurance policies, and also provide job securities, and also provide a good working condition, and also provide a good atmosphere or a good environment for working business activities. So that are the human objectives of business. Now last one is national objectives. National objectives we will relate with government, and some obligations and dues of the business to the government, like they paid properly and regularly taxes with honestly they paid regularly taxes, and they promoting social justice and also promoting exports, and they do our business activities according to the norms and rules of the government. So these are the objectives of business. So I end up this topic with the importance and objectives of business. Thank you.